If you're interested in pursuing a career in accountancy, then ACCA is a sure bet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for ACCA. Remember, everything is now online and you can actually do it on your phone. So the first thing I want you to do is to open your browser and Google ACCA registration. And as you can see in mine, the first one there is ACCA registration intro dash ACCA global. So let's follow that link and see what is in. So before you get started, you'll need the following to complete the application. So they're giving you the documents that you must upload. So please ensure that you have these documents. But of course, as we go along, you'll see that everything will be mentioned there. You need to have your certificates, you need to have your proof of identity and all that. So if you had previously registered, you'll have to resume application, follow that button, and you can simply put your email address. Simply put your email address there and also the secure code that was sent to you by ACCA when you first registered. So insert the secure code there and follow the next step. But I'm not really interested in that. So let's go back to get started. I'm assuming now you're registering for the first time. This is where you go. So let's put your title. So let's say I am Mr. So-and-so. My name there, I put my name as well. Benson Router, and I put my email address as well. So put all these details correctly. Put your name, your surname, your email address correctly. And then we can now continue. The next part is your details. So let's put your date of birth. Now I'm putting my details. They're not correct really, but I'm just putting them just to show you. And I am male, obviously, that's correct. And nationality, put your country there. I put American, but of course I'm not, and I'm going to change that. So I scroll a little bit down and I put Seychelles, and where I live, Seychelles. So nationality is Seychellois, and I live in Seychelles. Now you do not need to insert the company. In fact, I would say that you just focus on those which have an asterisk. So I'm putting my address. Everything that has an asterisk, please make sure you fill that. Everything else is not necessary. I'm putting my phone number there, and it looks like there's a little problem, but I'm going to retry again. So I delete that, but I need to put the country code. So I click that and I go back to Seychelles, scroll down a little bit, and then there you go. But it looks like it is rejecting the code, the country code. And yes, I'm sure it will now. Yes, we can proceed. So from here, we need to save and continue. Everything is fine now. And my internet appears to be a bit slow, but there we go. Now we select the qualification. Remember, we have 2 entry points for ACCA. You can either start from foundation in accountancy or you can start from ACCA qualification. Not really too much interested in foundation in accountancy. There's not much details there. And as you can see, they say it's an open access. That means it is available to anyone. But I'm selecting ACCA qualification. Please ignore diploma in international financial reporting. This is meant for those who've already completed ACCA qualification. So when we continue, we're now supposed to insert or upload our proof of identity. I'm putting some stuff there. This is not real. It's not my real identity. I'm just putting some stuff, but as long as it is in the correct format in this case. So again, I add my certificates. I'm adding my certificate there. Remember the requirements to qualify, you have to be aware of that. So up to this point, it gives me a little summary as it asks me to complete my application. So my summary here includes the email address and also the qualification that I've selected. Just down below, you'll see also that there is registration code. You might as well ignore that, it's not important really. The cost here is £89 for sure, and you have to now agree with the terms and conditions. I usually recommend that you wish to be informed so that in case there is any new information, ACCA will contact you. Now we go to payment. This is the end of the step-by-step process. And right here, you can see that you have to select the method of payment. I'm not going to go beyond here. This is now up to you to take care of, register, pay, and that's it. This is how you do your online registration with ACCA. I hope this video has been of help to you. And in case you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll be in a position to answer them. Wish you all the best. See you soon.